Hi everyone, my name is Richa, and very recently I attended the NLP class through Guru Schools by Coach Ashish Pandey, and it has been a wonderful experience doing the NLP class with him. Um, one the course made me feel very positive about myself. It made me feel empowered from within, that whatever are my dreams, whatever that I want to achieve in life, I can just manifest it. I can you know um, basically wake up my subconscious mind and make it really happen. And the best thing about the coach is that he has an excellent way of explaining things. वो चीज़ों को इतना easy बना के हमें explain करते हैं कि the concepts become very easy to understand. They become very easy to grasp, and it becomes very easy to understand the whole thing. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Guru Schools, and thanks a lot, Ashish Pandey sir. Thanks a lot.